Welcome guys to another video this weekend. Do you want to upgrade to Linux Mint 21.2 Victoria from Linux Mint 21.1 Vera? In this video we will show you how you can simply upgrade your Linux Mint to Victoria build through simple edit in Terminal. Let's see how to do this wisely. Open Terminal app on your Mint. Update your Linux package index. You can see we are currently on Linux Mint 21.1 Vanessa build. Let's edit the necessary things. List the contents of the directory as shown. We have to edit this official package repositories list. Edit with any text editor as shown. We prefer Nano. Replace Vera with Victoria. Save the edit and exit the editor. All good. Once again update your Linux package index. Now run this command to start the upgrade process. This can take couple of minutes and depends on your internet connection speeds. It's done. The upgrade has completed successfully. A reboot is required now to complete the upgrade process. Welcome back. You have successfully upgraded your Linux Mint 21.1 Vanessa to Linux Mint 21.2 Victoria build. It's not yet released, but we have already upgraded to it. You can also find the newly available backgrounds for Victoria build here. Enjoy using it.